Hello learners, welcome to Tutor Wale. Today's topic is poverty as a challenge. तो poverty एक challenge क्यों है? Poverty means गरीबी. Poverty है, poverty is one of the formidable challenge faced by independent India. Class 3rd to class 9th economics discuss the problems of poverty. हम class 9 से poverty को discuss करते हैं and poverty एक ऐसा टॉपिक कह सकते हैं, एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो कभी खत्म नहीं होता. हमारे देश में जो गरीब है वो बहुत और गरीब होता जा रहा है, जो अमीर है वो बहुत अमीर होता जा रहा है. देयर इज नो इक्वल इन बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम. We can discuss the problem of poverty in this chapter through examples and way of poverty seen in social sciences. Poverty trends in India and the world are illustrated through the concept of poverty line, causes of poverty, as well as anti-poverty measures taken by the government are also discussed. So let's start. Poverty as a challenge. So what is poverty? In our daily lives, we see poverty all around us. हम हर कहीं गरीबी देखते हैं, हर कहीं poverty देखते हैं. There could be landless laborers in villages, people living in overcrowded jhuggies in cities, daily wage workers on child workers in dhabas. According to fact, in India, every youth person is poor. Third, they could be beggars with children in tatters. We see poverty all around us. In fact, every fourth person in India is poor. हर 4 में से एक आदमी गरीब होगा. This means roughly 260 million or 26 crore people in India live in poverty. हमारी देश की जनता में से 260 मिलियन और कह सकते हैं 26 करोड़ 26 करोड़ हमारे इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन गरीब है, पॉवर्टी में जी रही है. This is also means that India has the largest single concentration of a poor in the world. This illustrates the seriousness of the challenge. अब two typical cases of poverty. Poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. Poverty में भूख, घर, clean water, sanitation facilities, lack of regular job at a minimum decent level. ये सब इन सब की बहुत ज्यादा कमी है हमारी इंडिया में अभी. Poverty is considered as the biggest challenge of independent India. India would be truly independent only when the poorest of its people become free of human suffering. हमारी इंडिया एक सही मायनों में तभी इंडिपेंडेंट कहलाएगी जब हर एक गरीब आदमी के पास जो भी वो ह्यूमन सफरिंग से गुजर रहा है वो खत्म हो जाएगी. हर एक पुअर आदमी उस चीज से फ्री हो जाएगा, उनके पास अच्छी फैसिलिटीज हो, अच्छी एजुकेशन मिले उनके पास, उनके बच्चों को अच्छी जॉब हो उनके पास. अब टू टिपिकल केसेस ऑफ पॉवर्टी. एक तो अर्बन केस, poverty in society, social 33-year story of Ram Saran. 33-year-old Ram Saran works as a daily wage labor in a wheat flour mill near Ranchi in Jharkhand. He manages to earn around rupees 1500 a month when he finds employment. The money is not enough to sustain a family of 6, including himself, his wife, and 4 children aged between 6 months to 12 years. He has to send money home to his old parents who live in village near Ramgarh. Ram Saharan lives in one-room rented house in a crowded urban settlement in the outskirts of city. His wife, Santa Devi, works as a part-time maid in a few houses and managed to earn rupees 800. They manage a major meal of a dal and rice twice a day, but it's never enough for all of them. His elder son works as a helper in tea shop to supplement the family and income and earns another rupees 300. His 10-year-old daughter takes care of his younger sibling. None of the children go to school and have only 2 pair of second-hand clothes. Shoes are luxury. The children have no health care when they fall ill. अब सी दिस, इनकी स्टोरी से जो राम सहारन है वो बस 1500 महीने के कमाता है, जिनमें से उन वो अपनी फैमिली के बच्चों की देखभाल करता है, उनको पालना भी होता है, अपनी वाइफ को भी देखना होता है, इंक्लूडिंग हिमसेल्फ, उसको रेंट देना होता है, उसको अपने ओल्ड पेरेंट्स को भी पैसे देने होते हैं. एंड संता देवी जो 800 कमाती है और उसका एक बड़ा बेटा जो 300 कमाता है. तो सी दिस, कितनी लार्ज फैमिली है और कितने कम पैसे हैं, वो कैसे मैनेज करते होंगे. सो दिस इज पोवर्टी. उनके पास घर है, जॉब है, पर अच्छी इनकम नहीं है, घर है जो रेंटेड है. वो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज ऑल दीज थिंग्स. इन रूरल केस, story of Lakha Singh. Lakha Singh belonged to a small village near Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. His family doesn't own any land, so they do not do odd jobs for the big farmers. At times, they get paid rupees 50 for a hard day work. The family of 8 cannot always manage 2 square meals a day. 8 लोगों की फैमिली है और हमेशा मैनेज नहीं कर सकते वो 2 वक्त की रोटी भी. They live in kacha hut in the outskirts of village. The women of a family spend their day chopping fodder and collecting firewood in the fields. He had to start earning when he was 10 years old. His father, TB patient, passed away 2 years ago due to lack of medication. His mother now suffers from some disease and life is slowly ebbing away. Although the village has a primary school, Lakha never went there. He started earning when he was 10. New clothes are bought once in a few years. उन्हें कपड़े भी बहुत कम मिलते हैं, एटलीस्ट वन इन अ कुछ सालों में एक कपड़ा. And even soap and oil are luxury for the family. और साबुन और तेल भी बहुत महंगा हो जाता है फैमिली के लिए, क्योंकि वो एक दिन के 50 रुपए कमाता है. तो हाउ ही कैन मैनेज. अब जो what do they show? They show that poverty means hunger and lack of shelter. Poverty का मतलब है भूख और शेल्टर, घर, घर की कमी, खाने की कमी. Poverty also means lack of clean water and sanitation facilities. Poor people are in situation in which they are ill treated at almost every place. अब हमारे इंडिया का कुछ माइंडसेट ऐसा है कि ये तो गरीब है, इसे क्या रिस्पेक्ट देनी, इसे तो इल ट्रीट की, हाँ तू जा, हाँ तू जा. उन्हें ऐसे बिहेव किया जाता है, विच इज वेरी वेरी रॉन्ग. It also means lack of regular job at a minimum decent level. और lack of job, अब कहते हैं कि तुम एजुकेटेड नहीं हो तो तुम्हें जॉब नहीं मिलेगी, ठीक है, ओके। अब वो ढाबा पे भी काम करे तो उनका वेज कम दिया जाता है, बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट दे आर द पुअर। उन्हें हम 50 रुपए भी देंगे तो वे रखेंगे। Poverty is looked through other social indicators like illiteracy level, lack of general resistance due to malnutrition, lack of access to healthcare, lack of job opportunities, lack of access to safe drinking water and sanitation, etc. Analysis of poverty based on social exclusion and vulnerability is now becoming very common. Social exclusion. According to this concept, poverty must be seen in terms of poor having to live only in a poor surrounding with other poor people. अब इस concept के हिसाब से जो poor people है वो poor people के around ही रहेंगे, excluded from enjoying social equality of better off people in the better surroundings. Vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater probability of concern. Certain communities, say members of a backward caste or individuals such as widow or a physical handicapped person, of becoming or remaining poor in the coming year. Vulnerability, sorry, क्या है? एक पॉवर्टी है, वल्नरेबिलिटी टू पॉवर्टी एक मेजर है जो डिस्क्राइब करता है ग्रेटर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कंसर्न कम्युनिटीज और इंडिविजुअल, जो भी बैकवर्ड कास्ट के होते हैं या कोई भी इंडिविजुअल होता है जो हैंडीकैप होता है, उनको रिमेन पुअर रहने में या कोई पुअर होने वाला है अपकमिंग ईयर में। मतलब कि उन्हें रोको, मतलब जैसे कि हैंडीकैप पर्सन है, हैंडीकैप पर्सन को और ज्यादा ना होने के लिए, जैसे कि हैंडीकैप पर्सन है तो चल नहीं सकता, तो चल नहीं सकता, उसको और मेंटली अब्यूज करने से रोकना, दिस इज वल्नरेबिलिटी। अब पॉवर्टी लाइन, तो पॉवर्टी लाइन इज अ मेथड to measure poverty based or income or consumption level. Poverty lines varies according to time and place. In India, the poverty line is determined through a minimum level of food requirement, clothing, footwear, fuel and light, educational, medical requirement, etc. और भी होंगे, जैसे कि कह सकते हैं हम शेल्टर को भी मान सकते हैं। These physical quantities are multiplied by their prices in rupees. In India, poverty is calculated on the basis of desired calorie requirement. The accepted average calorie requirement in India is 2400. जो average है वो 2400 है per person per day in rural area and 2100 calorie in urban area. Okay. Since people living in rural area engage themselves in more physical work, calories requirement in rural area are considered to be a higher than urban. रूरल एरिया के लोग ज्यादा कैलोरी खाते हैं अगर हम कंपेयर करें अर्बन एरिया के हिसाब से। And this is a comparison among selected countries की This is a chart, a flow chart of poverty. Causes of poverty. Low economic development under the British colonial administration. Under British control, India had a low of level of economic development. New policies of colonial government ruined traditional handicraft and discouraged development of industries like textile. Low rate of growth and an increase in population combined to make a growth rate of a per capita income very low. इससे जो अंग्रेज आए थे उन्होंने हमारी जो क्लोथ की इंडस्ट्रीज थी उसका जो मोटिव था वो कम करने का, उसे कम किया. हमारी से जो पर कैपिटा इनकम थी वो लो हो गई. विद द स्प्रेड ऑफ इरिगेशन इन द ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन, many job opportunities were created in agriculture sector. However, there were not enough absorb all the job seeker. The failure at both the fronts, promotion of economic growth and population and control, perpetuated the cycle of poverty. Another feature of high poverty rate has been the huge income inequalities. One of the major reasons for this is the unequal distribution of land and resources in India. Lack of land resources has been one of the major cause of poverty in India. But proper implementation of policy could have been improved the lives of millions of people in which is poor. Irregular small businesses, huge income inequality, socio-cultural factor, economic factor. Small farmers need money to buy agriculture input like seed, fertilizer, pesticide, etc. They used to borrow money and were unable to repay the loan because of poverty. Anti-poverty measures by the Indian government. Now, what is the anti-poverty measures taken by the government? The current anti-poverty strategy of a government is based broadly on two planks: promotion of income growth or targeted anti-poverty program. Aims to ensure livelihood security in rural areas by providing at least 100 days of wage employment in a financial year to every household whose adult member volunteer to be a unskilled manual work. अब नरेगा जो नरेगा 2005 क्या था, ये एम करता था कि एटलीस्ट 100 दिन के लिए जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट है वो दी जाए लोगों को, अनस्किल्ड मैनुअल वर्कर्स को. National Food for Work Program, NFWP, which has launched in 2004. ये क्या था? The National Food for Work Program was launched Minister of Rural Development, Central Government on 14th November 2004 in 150 of the most background district of India with the objective generating supplementary wage employment. The program is open for all rural poor who are prepared to do manual unskilled labor. First, let us read more about NREGA. महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट में क्या था? ये 2005 में लॉन्च हुआ था. इट एम टू प्रोवाइड 100 days of wage employment to every household to ensure livelihood security in rural areas. It also aimed at suitable development to address the cause of drought, deforestation, and soil erosion. 1/3 of a proposed job has been reserved for women. और इसमें क्या है कि लोगों को जो है, जो बैकवर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लोग हैं इंडिया के, विद द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ जनरेटिंग सप्लीमेंट्री वेज, इसमें भी सप्लीमेंट्री वेज पर लोग रखे जाएंगे. द प्रोग्राम इज ओपन टू हर रूरल पुअर के लिए और प्रिपेयर टू मैनुअल अनस्किल्ड लेबर. अब प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना PMRY was started, has been intended to give employment to over million people by starting 7 lakh micro ventures by the jobless educated youth. It counts to the starting of self-employment scheme through commerce, service and business means. तो इसमें क्या था? PMRY was started. The main aim of the program is to create self-employment opportunities for educated unemployment youth in the rural area and small towns. जो uneducated youth थे उनके लिए था ये प्रोग्राम जिनको जॉब नहीं मिल रही है. तो रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेटिंग generation program REGP was launched in 1995 to generate employment in rural areas, to develop entrepreneurial skill and attitude among rural unemployed youth, to achieve the goal of rural industrialization, to facilitate participation of financial institutions for higher credit flow to rural industries. In this program, REGP was launched in 1995. The aim was the program to create self-employment opportunities in rural areas and small towns. Swan Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana SGSY was launched in 1999. It aimed at providing self-employment to village. So the establishment of self-help group. Self-help group मतलब जो खुद के लिए काम करते हैं. एक ग्रुप होता है महिलाओं का जो खुद के लिए काम करता है. Activity cluster are established based on the aptitude and skill of a people which are nurtured to their maximum potential. Funds are provided by NGOs, bank and financial institutions. जो self help group है वो खुद की एक कंपनी बना लेते हैं या कह सकते हैं कि एक ग्रुप बना लेते हैं जो एक किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पर काम करते हैं. लाइक इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी दैट these people of self-help group do सिलाई. तो जो नेक्स्ट है प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामोदय योजना. PMGY launched in 2000. PMGY was launched in 2000 to 2001 in all states and union territories in order to achieve the objective of sustainable human development at the village level. PMGY initially had 5 components via primary health, primary education, rural shelter, rural drinking water, and nutrition. According to PMGY, under this program, additional central assistance is given to a state for basic service such as primary health, primary education, and all these written rural shelter, rural drinking water, and rural electrification also for electric supply. Antyodaya Anna Yojana AAY is an Indian government sponsored scheme for 10 million of the poorest family. It is look out for the poorest of the poor by providing them 35 kilogram of rice and wheat at ₹3 and ₹2 per kg respectively. जो poorest of the poor है उसके लिए थी ये स्कीम. उनको 35 किलोग्राम राइस एंड wheat प्रोवाइड करने के लिए at ₹3 and ₹2 per kg. The challenge ahead अब in India, challenges that still remain providing healthcare, education and job security for all and achieving gender equality and dignity for the poor. These will ever begin task. But despite the progress, poverty reduction remains the India's most compelling challenge. Wide disparities in poverty are visible between rural and urban areas and among different states. Certain social and economic groups are more vulnerable to poverty. Reduction is accepted to make better progress in the next 10 to 15 years. This would be possible mainly due to higher economic growth, increasing stress, or universal free elementary education, declining population growth, increasing empowerment of a woman, and the economically weaker section of a society. So according to the challenge क्या थे in India, poverty has certainly declined in India, but it is still remain India's most compelling challenge. ये कम होता जा रहा है बट फिर भी बहुत ज्यादा कंपेलिंग चैलेंज है हमारे इंडिया के लिए. पॉवर्टी रिडक्शन इज एक्सेप्टेड टू मेक बेटर प्रोग्रेस इन नेक्स्ट 10 to 15 years. This can be achieved by higher economic growth, increasing stress or universal free elementary education, declining population growth, increasing empowerment. Like all these are written, and the economical weaker section of a society. इन सबको हमें कम करना है एंड हमारी जो पॉवर्टी है उसे बिल्कुल ही कम करना है. एंड जो हमारी इंडिया की जो पॉपुलेशन है इट शुड बी इक्वल. लाइक हमारी इंडिया में नहीं होना चाहिए कि कोई अमीर है कोई गरीब है. ऑल आर इक्वल्स. Poverty is not an accident like slavery and apartheid. It is a man-made and can be removed by the action of human beings by Nelson Mandela. Very truly said by Nelson Mandela कि poverty जो है वो कोई accident नहीं है, ये हमारी human की ही man-made जो है वो actions होते हैं, हमारी वजह से ही poverty होती है. And it could be removed only by the actions of human being. Thank you for seeing this PPT. Now we can do a question answer. So let's do it. The first question is describe how the poverty line is estimated in India. हमारी इंडिया में poverty line कैसे estimate होती है? The person is considered poor if his or her income or consumption level falls below a given minimum level necessary to fulfill the basic needs. The minimum level is called the poverty line. एक मिनिमम लेवल सेट किया गया है गवर्नमेंट में जिसको पार करते ही वो पॉवर्टी में चला जाता है इंसान, और उस लाइन को, उस मिनिमम लेवल को हम पॉवर्टी लाइन कहते हैं. इन इंडिया द पॉवर्टी लाइन इज एस्टिमेटेड बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग द प्राइसेस ऑफ फिजिकल क्वांटिटी लाइक फूड, क्लोथिंग, फुटवेयर, फ्यूल, light, education, etc. in rupees. The number involved in the determining the all these stuff you can write in this answer. Next question: do you think that the present methodology of poverty estimate is appropriate? No, it is not. The present day methodology of poverty estimation does not seems to be completely appropriate. This is because the only factor is taken into consideration is the economic status, and moreover it considers a minimum subsistence of living instead of reasonable status of a living. Poverty today is a larger concept, and then only the economic status of a poor. With advancement and development, the definition of poverty has also changed. Third question: describe the poverty trends in India since 1973. An economic survey 2017-18 shows that although poverty has declined in the country, the number of poor still remain very high. The poverty ratio and both rural and urban areas together was at 45 degree, and the ratio for the year of 11 and 12 had declined down to 22%. Fourth question: discuss the major reasons for poverty in India. Low level of income, spread of green revolution, unequal distribution of land and resources, to fulfill social obligations and religious ceremonies, inequality. inequality in income, or inequality in social status also can be written in this question, in this reason. Identify the social and economic group which are most vulnerable to the poverty in India. सोशल ग्रुप्स के हिसाब से देखें तो स्केड्यूल्ड कास्ट हाउस होल्ड, स्केड्यूल्ड ट्राइब हाउस होल्ड, और इकोनॉमिक ग्रुप के हिसाब से देखें तो रूरल एग्रीकल्चर लेबर हाउस होल्ड और अर्बन कैजुअल लेबर हाउस होल्ड. गिवन अकाउंट ऑफ इंटरस्टेट disparities of poverty in India. Poverty in India differs from different states. The success rate of reducing poverty varies from state to state, causing interstate disparities in poverty level. Orissa, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh are the three poorest states in India, with their people living below the poverty line being 47, 42, and 37%. Jammu, Kashmir, and Punjab, Himachal Pradesh are the three better of states in India as far as poverty is concerned. Now describe global poverty trends. इसमें आप सारी स्टेट्स का लिख सकते हो, कितनी पॉवर्टी लाइन से ऊपर है, कितनी बेटर है. हमारी पूरी साउथ एशिया का, लैटिन अमेरिका का, अफ्रीका का, सब सहारन अफ्रीका का. डिस्क्राइब करंट गवर्नमेंट स्ट्रेटजी ऑफ पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन. इसमें आप डिफरेंट जो हमारे प्रोग्राम्स थे, जो हमारे एक्ट्स थे, जो स्कीम्स निकाली थी गवर्नमेंट में, उसको डिस्कस करोगे. लाइक महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट 2005, स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना, प्रधानमंत्री ग्रामोदय योजना, प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना. Answer the following question briefly. Now, first is, what do you understand by human poverty? Human poverty is a term that means that poverty in India is not just limited to the economic status of a people, but rather spread in various other sectors like education, negligence of healthcare systems, discrimination. Second question, who are the poorest of the poor? Women, female, infants, and elderly are considered to be a poorest of the poor. This is because in poor household, these people suffer the most and are deprived of the maximum necessities in life. What are the main features of a National Rural Employment Guarantee Act? इस एक्ट ने क्या क्या किया था आप वो सब लिखोगे. लाइक इसने टू प्रोवाइड 100 days of wage employment to every household to ensure livelihood security in rural areas, sustainable development to address the cause of drought, deforestation, and soil erosion. 1/3 of a proposed job under the scheme have been reserved for women. इस like ये जो हमारे जो भी स्कीम्स है, जो भी एक्ट्स हुए हैं, इनको आप अच्छे से रीड करना, अच्छे से याद करना, बिकॉज इन पर शॉर्ट नोट आ जाता है. लाइक इन दिस क्वेश्चन इन्होंने एनसीईआरटी वालों ने पूछा है कि नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट 2005 क्या था. एग्जाम में आपसे कोई भी पूछ सकते हैं कि मनरेगा क्या था, या कोई भी एक्ट पूछ सकते हैं. तो read thoroughly, learn thoroughly. Thank you. Best of luck.